Have you ever wondered why, in the vastness of the universe, we have yet to make contact with extraterrestrial life? The curiosity of life beyond our planet dates back to the times of ancient Greece and Rome. Yet, despite the advancements of modern science, this question remains largely unanswered. Various theories have been proposed, from the idea that human-level intelligence is unique in the universe to more somber hypotheses. One such theory, proposed by scientists, is that alien civilizations have been destroyed by gamma-ray bursts, or GRBs. These are immensely energetic explosions observed in distant galaxies, capable of sterilizing a significant portion of a galaxy's planets. This theory, while undeniably morbid, offers a plausible explanation for the lack of contact with alien life. Could it be that the answer lies not in their unwillingness to reach out, but in their inability to do so due to catastrophic cosmic events like gamma-ray bursts? Gamma-ray bursts, or GRBs, are immense explosions in distant galaxies. They occur when the core of a massive star depletes its nuclear fuel and collapses under its own weight. Now imagine an energy source so potent that it outshines our own sun by a factor of a quintillion. That's one followed by 19 zeros, to give you an idea. That's the kind of energy a typical gamma-ray burst delivers. These are not your everyday firecrackers. These are the most powerful class of explosions in the universe, as NASA puts it. Picture a massive star running out of nuclear fuel. As the fuel depletes, the star's core can no longer support its own weight. This leads to a collapse, a gravitational implosion. The result? An incredibly energetic explosion, a supernova releasing a torrent of radiation. Astronomy professor Dr. Frederick Walter describes it as a tightly focused beam. A beam so powerful that if it's directed through the plane of a galaxy, it could sterilize about 10% of the planets in that galaxy. That's a massive swathe of potential life-bearing worlds wiped clean. Now, if you're wondering what we mean by sterilize, it's pretty much as grim as it sounds. Any life form, from the simplest bacteria to the most advanced civilization, could be eradicated by this intensely powerful radiation. These gamma-ray bursts are not the result of some cosmic villain's superweapon. They are natural phenomena stemming from a variety of cosmic activity. The National Science Foundation's NOIA lab in Arizona has proposed cases where these bursts may have originated from the collision of stars or stellar remnants near a supermassive black hole. So how often do these cataclysms occur? According to Dr. Walter, there's a gamma-ray burst every 100 million years or so in any given galaxy. Over a span of 1 billion years, a significant number of civilizations could be wiped out should they exist. This might seem like a long time on human scales, but in the grand timeline of the cosmos, it's a mere blink of an eye. Younger, distant galaxies still in the throes of star formation or in the process of transforming collapsing stars into black holes are much more prone to these explosive events. Despite their destructive potential, gamma-ray bursts are relatively rare in our home galaxy, the Milky Way. Decades of research by NASA's Compton Gamma Ray Observatory have shown that these supernova events are much less common here than initially expected. And while this is certainly good news for us Earthlings, it might also provide a somber answer to a question as old as human curiosity itself. Where is everybody? These powerful explosions, capable of obliterating life on a grand scale, could be the grim answer to our long-standing question. NASA describes gamma-ray bursts as the most powerful class of explosions in the universe. These cataclysmic events are so intense that they release a beam of energy 1 quintillion times the brightness of our own sun. That's enough firepower to wipe an extraterrestrial civilization off the galactic map. NASA has been at the forefront of exploring these bursts, and their research has shed light on these fascinating, albeit frightening, phenomena. One of the key instruments in this research was the Compton Gamma Ray Observatory. Launched into orbit in 1991, it was designed to study gamma-ray emissions in our universe. Researchers initially expected to observe a significant number of these gamma-ray bursts, or GRBs, emanating from our own Milky Way. The reality, however, proved to be quite different. These supernova events were more common in younger, distant galaxies that were still in the throes of star formation or in the process of transforming collapsing stars into black holes. So what does this mean for us? Well, it seems we're in a relatively safe neighborhood. Gamma-ray bursts are rare in our Milky Way, appearing only once every 100 million years or so. But for civilizations in these younger, distant galaxies, The threat of a gamma-ray burst could be a constant specter, but the research doesn't stop there. NASA is preparing for the launch of a new gamma-ray telescope, the Compton Spectrometer and Imager, or COSI. Slated for launch in 2025, this $150 million project will continue the study of gamma-ray bursts and the evolution of the Milky Way. The COSI is not just a successor to the Compton Gamma-Ray Observatory, but an advancement. It will provide scientists with a new perspective on these intense explosions and help map out the unknown origins of our galaxy. Dr. Frederick Walter, an astronomy professor who has taught a course on the search for extraterrestrial life, estimates that over 1 billion years, on average, you might expect a significant number of civilizations to be eradicated. This grim outlook is based on the frequency of gamma-ray bursts and their destructive potential. In the grand scheme of things, these bursts serve as a stark reminder of the fragility of life in the universe. They suggest that the reason we may not have made contact with extraterrestrial civilizations could be that they've been wiped out by these intense bursts of radiation. These findings provide a sobering perspective on the fragility of life in the universe. If gamma-ray bursts are as common and destructive as they seem, what does this mean for the search for extraterrestrial life? Well, let's delve into the implications of the gamma-ray burst theory. The idea that these cosmic cataclysms could occur every 100 million years in any given galaxy is staggering. It suggests that a significant number of civilizations could be wiped out over a time span of 1 billion years. Imagine, if you will, a thriving alien civilization reaching its peak only to be obliterated by a gamma-ray burst. An entire society with its own cultures, technologies, and scientific advancements erased in an instant. It's a concept that's as fascinating as it is terrifying. This theory presents a paradox. On one hand, it fuels our curiosity about the cosmos and the potential for life beyond our planet. On the other, it confronts us with the chilling reality that life, as we know it, might be a fleeting, fragile phenomenon on the grand cosmic scale. But does this mean our search for extraterrestrial life is in vain? Not necessarily. It merely adds another layer to the profound mystery of our universe. The existence of gamma-ray bursts doesn't rule out the possibility of life elsewhere. It simply means that such life may exist in a narrow window of time and space, making the chances of us making contact considerably more challenging. Moreover, it brings into sharp focus the preciousness of life on our own planet. We're lucky to be situated in an older, relatively stable galaxy. It's been billions of years since the last gamma-ray burst in the Milky Way, allowing life to evolve and flourish here on Earth. It's also worth noting that understanding gamma-ray bursts can have direct implications for our future. This knowledge could be crucial in predicting and preparing for such events should they pose a threat to our own civilization. In the grand cosmic lottery, we've drawn a lucky ticket, but as we continue to explore the universe, we must be mindful of the potential dangers that lurk in the vast expanse of space. The gamma-ray burst theory is a sobering reminder of the volatile and unpredictable nature of the cosmos. But let's not allow this to dampen our enthusiasm for space exploration. Instead, let it fuel our curiosity and our quest for knowledge. The universe is teeming with mysteries waiting to be unraveled, and every discovery, every new piece of the cosmic puzzle brings us closer to understanding our place in the cosmos. While the gamma-ray burst theory may seem morbid, it offers a compelling explanation as to why we may be alone in the universe, or at least why we haven't made contact yet. It's a testament to the awe-inspiring, often intimidating, and always captivating nature of the cosmos. So let's keep exploring, keep questioning, keep reaching for the stars, because who knows, the next great discovery could be just a light year away. So we began with a question about the existence of alien life, and we've ended up with a theory about gamma-ray bursts. We've journeyed from the ancient musings of Greek and Roman philosophers through the vast cosmos to the heart of massive stars. We've delved into the science of gamma-ray bursts, these supremely potent explosions that occur when a star collapses under its own weight. We've learned that these bursts, though rare in our own Milky Way, could potentially wipe out a significant portion of a galaxy's planets. And in this light, the seemingly morbid hypothesis arises. Perhaps the reason we have yet to encounter alien life is because these civilizations were eradicated by such cosmic catastrophes. Finally, we've taken a glimpse into the future, looking at how NASA's Compton Spectrometer and Imager will delve deeper into the study of gamma-ray bursts. While the search for extraterrestrial life continues, the universe in all its beauty and terror never ceases to amaze and surprise us.